Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring the device has at least 20% charge and no external SD or OTG attachments. This prevents interruptions. Once done, record recent app installs that caused the issue, because you'll need to target them. Now force a reboot by holding power for 10 seconds. If that fails, use power plus volume down. Doing this clears transient glitches, and it tells you whether safe mode is persistent versus a momentary boot issue. If rebooting didn't exit safe mode, you proceed to targeted fixes. Go to Settings, then Apps, and identify the most recent 3 installs. Disable each one, then uninstall the culprit if safe mode clears. Make sure to clear that app's cache and data, because corrupted storage can force safe mode. Also inspect your launcher and system UI entries. Reset app preferences if you see disabled core services. This sequence isolates whether a third-party app or you finish by backing up important data, because factory reset is the reliable fallback. If nothing else works, power off, then press power plus volume up to enter Infinix recovery and choose wipe data/factory reset. This removes system-level corruption. After the reset, set up the phone without restoring all apps at once. Install selectively to confirm the issue is gone. If you still see safe mode, boot into safe mode deliberately to test each change. That single troubleshooting tip saves time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.